In 1941, General Hap Arnold defined the air power equation: people, planes, and installations. In today's evolving global landscape, there is one constant. The Air Force installation is key to the Air Force mission and success. Our installations are the power projection platforms for air and space superiority. They provide the ability to hold targets at risk anywhere across the globe. As stewards of our installations, our nearly 60,000 civil engineers enable the Air Force's core missions. To succeed, Air Force civil engineers need a partner who will bring expertise and experience to bear on today's challenges. They need a wingman ready to respond at any moment, under any circumstance, around the globe. They need a team that is battle-ready and built right. AFCEC is that partner, that wingman, that team. Battle-ready means AFCEC has the talent, training, technology, and innovation to deliver the capabilities needed to sustain the Air Force mission and support our warfighters. AFCEC is prepared to deploy with service and solutions, and the next man up ready to step in behind them. Built right means AFCEC is brilliant at the basics. It is a performance standard and a metric for excellence. It not only refers to our buildings and infrastructure, but also to our fit, resilient, and well-trained organization. Our mission is to provide civil engineering services and enterprise lifecycle leadership to Air Force installations that enable the warfighter. Our more than 1,600 military, civilian, and contract support personnel at more than 70 locations worldwide provide expertise and support to our airmen around the globe. AFCEC is installation-focused and globally linked to provide best practice solutions to airmen, anytime and anywhere. We are battle-ready, and our team and the facilities we provide are built right. AFCEC is the cornerstone of the civil engineering enterprise. Now under the Air Force Materiel Command, we form the foundation of the new Air Force Installation and Mission Support Center and fundamentally change how we provide installation support. AFCEC focuses on 7 main capabilities in our lifecycle management approach to ensuring our warfighters and installations are ready and able to complete the Air Force mission. Our 7 directorates integrate to perform these capabilities: planning and integration, facility engineering, readiness, energy, environmental, installations, and operations. The foundation of AFCEC resides with the Planning and Integration Directorate. With a focus on innovation and sustainment of the entire Air Force portfolio, P&I provides an enterprise planning and asset management capability for bases, airspace, and ranges. Our comprehensive planning effort starts with managing each installation's development and encroachment plans. We then identify required and excess assets and fully develop opportunity assessments to sustain, repurpose, or dispose of those assets. We work with installation and major command leadership to collect and integrate all facility and infrastructure requirements, prioritize those requirements against Air Force mission needs, then recommend and disperse funding to execute priorities. This risk-based, mission-focused approach addresses the highest priority infrastructure challenges across the Air Force, ensuring dollars are spent on the right requirements at the right time based on risk. In fiscal 2014 alone, the Directorate managed a contract portfolio supporting execution of 561 task orders totaling $1.09 billion. P&I has broken new ground in the area of enterprise procurement. This capability develops new procurement processes and business rules to support execution of Air Force mission requirements. The enterprise procurement team focuses on innovation in acquisition strategies, engaging with industry on market-specific needs and strategic sourcing in support of the Air Force enterprise. We recently established a 5-year, 100% small business set-aside contract to meet needs across the Air Force enterprise and provide support and value for our warfighters. AFCEC is the primary resource for installation leaders to help them maintain their installations and accomplish their mission more effectively. Our operations capability provides direct technical, managerial, and training expertise. ready to deliver services around the world with emphasis on operations and maintenance of the built environment and force development support. Last year, the Airfield Pavement Evaluation Team accomplished 40 detailed structural, friction, and aircraft anchor evaluations supporting airfields around the globe. Our civil engineer maintenance, inspection, and repair teams, CMERT, performs overhaul and repair work on aircraft arresting systems, the AAS, designed to safely stop an aircraft in the event of an emergency or at airfields not suited for conventional landings. Proper performance of these barriers is essential for pilot, crew, and aircraft safety. AFCEC leads the design, planning, and execution of Air Force facility projects worldwide, from facility modernization to military construction at home and in contingency environments. In fiscal year 14, we provided design and construction management for $3.6 billion in projects across 3 combatant commands in 7 countries on 2 continents. Our project managers work closely with local leaders to develop efficient, effective facilities to meet mission requirements while seeking cost reduction strategies. Our facilities team is managing the design and construction of facilities across the United States to support the new fleet of F-35 Lightning fighter jets, $141 million across 8 projects, and the new fleet of KC-46A aerial refueling tankers. The Air Force is committed to preserving and protecting the natural environment. AFCEC delivers on this commitment. We manage the Air Force Restoration, Compliance, Sustainability, and National Environmental Policy Act programs, providing technical expertise and execution for installation leaders and MAJCOMs. The environmental management capability centralizes remaining MAJCOM compliance functions and restoration responsibilities. It consolidates and streamlines the program processes, changes information flow, and increases interaction between installations and AFCEC. Recently, AFCEC led the charge on the newly centralized Air Force-wide environmental compliance program, saving $80 million in the first year through partnerships with other federal agencies, centralized processes, and enterprise-wide right-sizing. AFCEC partners with energy policy and installation leaders. We identify, evaluate, and help implement technologies and funding strategies to reduce energy consumption, develop new sources of energy, and lead conservation efforts across the service. We recently supported the development and construction of the Air Force's largest solar project, a 16.4 megawatt array at Davis-Monthan Air Force Base, Arizona. Our utilities privatization team has privatized 66 water, wastewater, electric, and natural gas utility systems with contracts valued at $3.6 billion, creating a cost avoidance of more than $511 million. AFCEC delivers robust, resilient, and ready energy solutions so that installations have the resources they need to execute their mission. AFCEC understands the land and permanent facilities that support the Air Force mission are among its most important assets. Our programs and capabilities bring innovative thinking to real estate and portfolio management to achieve maximum value. The housing privatization program takes care of our most important asset, our airmen and families. Since it began in 1998, the program has provided quality homes to thousands of Air Force families, delivering more than 53,000 homes across 63 installations. Enhanced use leases, such as the 50-year lease of 217 acres from Grand Forks Air Base to the local community for the development of a 1.2 million square feet business park, is estimated to provide 3,000 jobs and a financial return to the Air Force and the warfighter. The BRAC Management Program executes the Air Force's commitment to the community and the restoration mission. When the town of Galena, Alaska was nearly wiped out by flooding from the Yukon River in 2013, AFCEC wanted to assist the town without burdening recovery efforts and continue its cleanup work at former Galena Forward Operating Location. AFCEC scrambled to charter daily flights between Fairbanks and Galena, carrying their environmental contractors, supplies, and equipment each day, and, when the need arose, carrying sled dog teams to reunite with their owners and help the recovery effort. From expeditionary combat deployment to disaster response and emergency services, our installation readiness capability enables the logistics, sustainment, and maintenance of our deployed forces. The Explosive Ordnance Disposal Division builds and sustains the EOD warfighter. AFCEC recently enabled an embedded EOD capability within Special Operations Forces Task Force 196 in Afghanistan. The EOD team completed 194 counterinsurgency missions, manually neutralizing 21 IEDs and 1,000 explosive devices. Our Fire Emergency Services team recently retrofitted 58 aircraft fire training facilities with a 3D running fuel fire enhancement. This enables our firefighters to simulate an aircraft fuel fire, one of the most challenging fires to combat. As the subject matter experts in expeditionary engineering combat support, we provide readiness support to the CE community through technical information and standardized methodology so they can execute their combat support and emergency services mission safely and effectively. When our journey began as a newly transformed field operating agency in October 2012, we fundamentally changed the way the CE community does business. At the core of the AFCEC mission is an innovative, systematic, life cycle approach to managing the many complex programs required to develop, build, protect, and care for the installation, the warfighter, and the Air Force family. We apply an innovative enterprise-wide perspective to develop solutions, deliver capabilities, enable battle-ready engineers, and create a world-class team of experts to accomplish the Air Force mission. Our centralized capabilities are the tools we use, and our strong workforce enables our ability to put those tools to use. The warfighter is our greatest and most accurate measure of success. We will know we have achieved our mission when the airmen we serve see the Made by AFCEC stamp. Give us a thumbs up and can say AFCEC is battle ready, built right.